In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create content using Meta Business Suite. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned social media manager, Meta Business Suite is a powerful tool that can streamline your content creation process across Facebook and Instagram. So let's dive into how you can make the most of this platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the Meta Business Suite. You can do this by visiting the Meta Business Suite website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're there, you'll be welcomed by a dashboard that provides an overview of your business activities. This is your central hub for managing and analyzing your content across different platforms. Now, let's locate the content section. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. Click on Content, and this will take you to a page where you can manage all your posts, including past and upcoming ones. This section is particularly useful because it allows you to have a comprehensive view of everything you've shared or planned. It's like having a bird's eye view of your content strategy. Once you're in the content section, you'll notice an option to export data. This feature is invaluable if you need to analyze your content performance outside of Meta Business Suite. By exporting your data, you can dive deeper into understanding which posts are performing well and which ones might need a little tweaking. This can help you refine your content strategy and ensure you're reaching your audience effectively. Next, let's talk about creating content directly within the suite. One of the standout features is the ability to create Reels. Reels are short, engaging videos that can capture your audience's attention quickly. To create a Reel, simply select the Create Reel option and follow the prompts to upload your video, add music, and include any text or effects to make it pop. This feature allows you to harness the power of video content without needing any external tools. In addition to Reels, you can also add posts directly from the content section. Whether you want to share a photo, a status update, or a link, just click on Add Post, and you'll be guided through the steps to customize and schedule your post. This helps you maintain a consistent posting schedule, which is crucial for keeping your audience engaged. So, that's a quick guide on how to create content using Meta Business Suite. By navigating to the content section, exporting data, and utilizing the options to create Reels and posts, you can effectively manage your social media presence all in one place. Remember, the key to successful content management is consistency and understanding your audience, and Meta Business Suite provides the tools to do just that. Thank you for watching, and happy content creating.